Ever wondered why acorns seem to take ages to deposit? It's a question that's plagued nature enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of acorns and their mysterious deposition process. Hook. Imagine you're a squirrel, busy gathering acorns for the winter. You've spent hours collecting these little treasures, only to have them sit in your stash for what feels like forever. Why doesn't nature speed up this process? Is it a conspiracy by the squirrels, or is there a scientific reason behind this delay? Part 1. The Acorn Life Cycle. Visuals, a time-lapse of an acorn germinating and growing into a sapling. Narrator, to understand why acorns take so long to deposit, we need to delve into their life cycle. An acorn is essentially a seed, a tiny package of life waiting for the right conditions to sprout. Inside the acorn, there's a dormant embryo that's surrounded by a protective shell. Visuals, a close-up of an acorn being cut open to reveal its embryo. Narrator, the shell acts as a barrier, keeping the embryo safe from the elements. But it also prevents the embryo from receiving the moisture and oxygen it needs to grow. This is why acorns can remain dormant for years, waiting for the perfect conditions to emerge. Part 2. The Factors Affecting Deposition. Visuals, a montage of different environmental conditions: rain, sunlight, soil quality. Narrator, several factors can influence how long an acorn takes to deposit. Temperature, warmer temperatures can accelerate the germination process. Conversely, colder temperatures can delay it. This is why acorns in tropical climates tend to germinate more quickly than those in temperate or colder regions. Moisture, acorns need a certain amount of moisture to germinate. Too little moisture can prevent the embryo from developing, while too much can lead to rot. Soil quality, the soil in which the acorn is planted plays a crucial role. Well-draining soil with plenty of nutrients provides the ideal conditions for germination. Dormancy mechanisms, some acorns have built-in mechanisms that prevent them from germinating immediately, even if the conditions are favorable. This is a survival strategy that ensures the species can persist through harsh winters or droughts. Part 3. The Benefits of Delayed Deposition. Visuals, a forest with a diverse range of trees. Narrator, while it may seem frustrating to wait for acorns to deposit, the delay actually serves a valuable purpose. By delaying germination, acorns can ensure that the saplings that emerge have a better chance of survival. This is because avoiding competition, if all the acorns in a given area germinated at once, the young saplings would have to compete fiercely for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. By staggering germination, the saplings can spread out and reduce competition. Adapting to changing conditions, delayed deposition allows acorns to wait for favorable environmental conditions before germinating. This helps to ensure that the saplings have a better chance of surviving the challenges they will face. Part 4. The Role of Squirrels. Visuals, squirrels burying acorns. Narrator, squirrels play a vital role in the acorn life cycle. By burying acorns for later consumption, squirrels inadvertently help to disperse the seeds and ensure that they have a better chance of germinating in suitable locations. Part 5. Conclusion. Visuals, a montage of acorns germinating and growing into trees. Narrator, so, why do acorns take so long to deposit? The answer lies in a complex interplay of factors, including temperature, moisture, soil quality, dormancy mechanisms, and the actions of squirrels. While it may seem like a slow process, the delay is essential for ensuring the survival of these remarkable seeds. End screen. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about acorns, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy exploring.